Welcome to EDC Ideas and welcome to my second part of my series 10 cool tools for your EDC toolkit. This is the first item, a retrackable tool and keychain holder. I really like this tool. This is the KEY-BAK version and you can clip the carabiner on your belt or on your belt loop. You find different combinations of this tool, for example with a carry for more weight or with different carabiner. This one is a cool mid-sized version and you find, for example, a smaller version too. When I have to do some things in a short period of time very often, I really like to have my tool on a chain like this. This is a high quality version and I can let them slip back on my belt or on my belt loop. Surely you find other brands. This one is a more lightweight version and it's designed to carry a single key, for example, when you use this key on a regular base. Let's come to this cool sharpening tool from Victorinox. This is a pen-sized sharpening tool with a cool clip. I really like the different stages. The first stage of the sharpening process is this sharpening rod with a line you can sharpen, for example, darts or fishing hooks, and you have different roundings for different serrations. You also can sharpen plain edges. You can use this part to get a larger sharpening rod and a comfortable hold in your hand. The next stage is this classic V-sharpening tool. Yes, it's a cool tool and you get a good edge with this one. These are classic ceramic cutters. Through the different roundings you can easily sharpen this very small serrations, for example on this Gerber tool, and that's a big plus of this sharpening tool from Victorinox. As I mentioned before, it's easy to sharpen straight edge blades. I always like to carry a first aid kit when it comes to a toolkit. This is the first aid kit in the mini version from Tasmanian Tiger with a cool carry option for your belt. It's more an addition to your toolkit, but I think it's important when you work with tools, with sharp tools, that you have a first aid option. This is a cool preloaded set and you find different compartments to organize your stuff, and there is enough room to put some plasters or other things for your personal first aid kit in, so you can individualize your pouch. The EDC community loves small little pry bars in different sizes. You find these mini versions and there are extra mini versions for the keychain, and this HULTAFORS is one of my favorites. You find different prying options and nail pulling options, and this is a tool you can work with. You get a lot of leverage on this part with the handle, and the size is perfectly to fit in different kinds of larger EDC organizer. HULTAFORS is very popular for excellent axes and craftsman knives, but you should check out the HULTAFORS Pry Bars. Excellent quality too, and yes, you see I've used this one for EDC tasks. I like this version, the perfect size for me when it comes to an EDC pry bar. I really like to carry gloves in my toolkit, and I love to carry gloves for outdoor bushcraft and survival tasks, and I really like this MECHANIX gloves. The quality is great. I carry these one for years and they hold up very well. This is not the heavy duty version from MECHANIX, but they are very lightweight and easy to carry in your EDC toolkit. I like to carry this no-name gloves too, and I secure them with this band so I can pack them easily in my backpack or in a larger toolkit. I really like to carry a small ratchet. This one is the Wera Zyklop. I really like to carry these small ratchets because they make the work a lot faster. You find the Wera Zyklop in different sizes. This is the smallest one, and I really like the functionality, and you can set this head into different positions depending on your needs, and it's a cool little tool with different positions, and yes, you will get the work done with this high quality tool. I really like to combine the ratchets with a bit set and a bit holder, and this one is, for example, the Victorinox one. Depending how big and how heavy your EDC toolkit should be, you find some other great options for small ratchets. This one is the very small and lightweight Bosch version. I also love the little KNIPEX tweezers. These are high quality tweezers with an extra fine tip. You can grab little things. They are excellent for first aid when it comes to splinters and so on. I really like high quality tweezers in my toolkit. Yes, they are small, they are lightweight, and they take no space. Another cool option for your toolkit, especially when you want to go small and lightweight, is this metal ruler from RUMOLD. It's measured in centimeters, very durable, you won't bend this ruler, and yes, I like to carry this one, a cool little option, and it will last a lifetime. We talked about a KNIPEX product before. We talked about the tweezers, and this is a high quality KNIPEX Universal Key. In my opinion, you actually can't find a higher quality on the market. You have a lot of key options. You have this magnetic combination and the possibility to insert the bit holder, so you can use this one as a screwdriver too. You find different types of universal keys from KNIPEX. This one is more on the heavy duty side. You find very small versions. They are excellent for a toolkit too, or for the keychain, and you find mid-sized versions. So I think you will get a lot of universal key for the money, and it's a product, and I carry this one for years. Surely you can carry a saw on your Swiss Army knife, but this Silky Pocket Boy is a very small but highly functional foldable saw. I often carry the Silky products and the Tachima saws too for outdoor activities. This one is a little backup saw, but you will get the work done. This saw gets a cleaning and a new saw blade during the last week, so this saw blade is unused. For craftsman tasks, maybe a saw with finer teeth would be the better choice. This is my bushcraft version. Depending on the focus you want to do with your EDC toolkit, maybe you say a saw is important in your kit, and then check out the Silky Pocket Boy. It's a great tool with a rubberized handle, and you can secure the blade with this heavy duty snap here. All in all, an excellent and high quality saw, and it's one of the saws that's full-sized or fully functional and pocket-friendly. The only problem I have with the Silky saw is that the Pocket Boy comes in this terrible plastic sheath pouch with this loop, maybe for the belt, but this one is not high quality, and you should store your Pocket Boy in an individual leather pouch or in a pouch for your toolkit.